Bambu X1 Carbon. So we're gonna untape it, get it ready to print. I guess just random bits. 04 hot end head, lubricant grease, I'm gonna put that to the side. Ensure that the build plate is on the heat bed and matches the corresponding build plate setting in Bambu Studio. Wash the build plate regularly with hot water and detergent for best adhesion. Wait until build plate fully cools down to remove print. When printing PLA and TPU with an enclosed printer, keep the front door or top cover open. Interesting. So yeah, let me take you around there. Give you a quick glance of the back. So when it's doing filament changes, that's where the excess comes out. Gonna have to print some to go right there because the machine will be back towards the wall. Then you have all that extra filament that's shooting down on my floor, so I gotta print some. Got the power input, power button. So here we go. Inside the machine, you have some styrofoam in there at the base. Yeah, the hot end covered in cardboard. We'll cut that out. Sure, this is for the AMS. Haven't received it yet, but should be on its way. Should really arrive tomorrow. But yeah, first video, X1 Carbon, getting ready to print. Although we didn't get the AMS, I think we'll go ahead and set it up so we can just do a print tonight. So we're gonna follow in this getting started guide here. We'll finish the steps up outside of unpacking and get the printer online, and let's see if we can do a print real quick. So let's check it out. Kind of got top printed on it right there. So you put that in there. This is all temporary because I'm sure the AMS will be here tomorrow, so we'll be putting that on. But we'll go ahead and follow these steps. Okay, so it says remove screws down here. There's 3 dots showing that the bed is locked. And then we put on the flexible printed circuit out. It's actually for the screen. I thought it was for the AMS, but it's for the screen, so we'll do that. Turn this. You can see red tabs here. They want you to go ahead and unlock it by taking those screws out. No, the screws like that. Don't want to drop the screwdriver again. Get lost back there. And the screws. So. Okay, last one. Alright. Pull out, got the flex out. kind of give you indication. Insert the FPC into the port by pressing as pictured. Insert the screen into the slot, then lock it by pushing it to the left. So it slides in, push to the left after we get this installed. So here's the screen. Locked in. Locked in. All right, so 3, 4. All right, so I guess it's printer binding. Get it there. Guess we download the Bambu app, get it going. Hit that, install it. And click open it. Bambu Labs, agree. Let me get this going and we'll come back at you. Going back, got the app installed. It's asking you your skill level at 3D printing. Again, choose the one most appropriate, but it says add. We'll do add. Guess we're supposed to scan some on the printer. They said apply power and power it up, so let's do that now. Pretty cool. I don't know if y'all can see that. asking you to, what language? Brought you in closer to C. Choose a language, standard. Next. Click it. We're in North America. Next. Says it wants you to choose a network. Let me see what we got here. Got no network. Type in the key for this. Join the network successful. Go next. Scan the QR code. So we'll grab our phone. Grab our phone. Open that up. See what it says. That's the user. Confirm to bind. Bound to user. That's the printer. We can change that later, I guess. All right. So I guess we got it set up. It says join task. Let's just say maybe later. It's asking us this again. I did this already. Skip. Improve your feed. We gonna skip that too. Don't really care to look at devices. Devices idle. Okay. So don't really have anything in there. So let's see what's next. So next, it actually says to insert the filament in the PFT. Keep pushing the filament to can't move forward. We recommend using supplied Bambu PLA Basic. Apply a thin layer of glue on the build plate. So I guess after we got a pair, we're supposed to go back here, hit next. We have to agree to a term. We'll just join it for now. The printer needs to calibrate for the current. Please ensure the heat belt is unlocked before starting calibration. I guess we should get the phone, stuff like that out of there. I don't know how we're gonna get these styrofoam pieces out of here. So there's some back there. There's a couple of them here. I don't know. And then just kind of easing them out. How do we actually get that out of there? I wonder if it's gonna give us an opportunity. Let's go ahead and click next and see what happens. Alright, so let's calibrate. Go ahead. The next one. Interesting. So we'll come back after this finished. It's 15 minutes. So Okay, so since the end of that last clip, it was like truly 2 seconds later it finished. It just made it to 84% and then said calibration complete. So let's go ahead and move to the next step. All right. That's it. That's the interface. New firmware. Would you like to? Yes. Let's go ahead and update the firmware. Let's say yeah. Okay. Let this finish now. Just finish upgrading. Guess not. Still 98%. So that's finished. I think we should go to this next step. It says follow the instructions on the screen. Noise during calibration process. And insert the filament to the PPTE. Keep pushing. Can't move forward. We recommend you use apply PLA. Apply thin layer glue on build plate. I don't think we're gonna do that. I don't know why, but let's see how it come out. Press those buttons, heat the nozzle. For the filament, press extruder. Several times until the filament comes out the nozzle and cannot be pulled out the PFTE. Internal selected files start first print. We recommend using one of the preloaded as a first. So let's try. Filament, okay, put it, so it's a green. Open that up. Feed this in the back. Turn the printer around so we can see this in a second. So there's the PFTE tube right here. We're gonna slide the filament up in there. So let's go ahead and get it going. So let's see what else the instructions say. Get that out of there. Alright, we did that. Push it in there. 1, 2. Let's go over here. Press. I don't know if you can see this. We're gonna press this here. Let me take it off. So press this. We went from home to this here. Per the instructions. The instruction says then do the down arrow for the nozzle heat and recommended for extruder several times to filaments come. So here, thinking we're going here. And hold on, not sure. Hold on. What are we doing? Press the thing. So we heat the nozzle temp. So we'll come over here and do 200. Confirm. So you can hear the nozzle turn. See how long it'll take to get up to 200. I don't know what the temp should be on this PLA, so let's see if it'll tell us anything. So it says PLA edit. So anywhere from, it says it's marble. I'm not sure what it is. Said it was PLA basic and the color was this green here. Let's confirm that. Oh, that's interesting. It sets it on there. So yeah, let's go back here. We at 200 already. So let's extrude till we see something come out. So we'll get you guys closer. Like to extrude. Something come in. It's in there kind of deep. I don't know if you guys see that. See it? It's coming out. So we hit it a whole bunch of times. You can kind of see it filled up in there. And since then it just stopped. So now we'll continue to the next step and print out a file. So now let's go home. Let's go to print file. A lot of stuff on here, so you can see that. So we can do a benching in 26 minutes. How about we choose that? Timeout texture PE. So you won't get a time lapse about the external. So we'll choose that one. Click next. It's not asking what you want to print. Right? Click next. And let's click print. Print. So it's showing it's warming the bed up, warming the filament up to 192. So right now the bed is warming up. Bed is dropping 157, going to 27 till the bed warms up. So the bed is warming up. It's at 38 degrees, 39, 40 degrees Celsius. The head is at 144, 140 and dropping because it's cooling off. Yep, about to print. About to print. So now it's getting ready to print. The bed's coming up to 55. Head is at 216 and 221. Head's at 239, 245, 240, 240 AC. It's up to temp. Should start printing any second. So this take about 21 minutes. Here we go. Restarting. And it's coming up. Cleaning the tip off. Cleaned the tip off. A little bit of filament that was on the end there. Getting the Bambu ready. It's leveling the bed. Getting ready to start the print. Level itself on the bed every time as the head touch it. See, it says auto bed leveling. It's auto bed leveling, so you can see where it's trying to level the bed. It says auto bed leveling. So it's going to touch the bed all over, make sure it's level before it starts printing. So calibrating the flow. So if you see it, it has put a line down, trying to see how the PLA is flowing out the tube. So then it has a little camera there, Bambu micro radar, kind of measures the light levels. See, it just turned the light on so it can see how much filament is put down. If you see right here, it's got a little squirrel fan right here, but it's not on till it starts printing and it'll cool it off. So there you go, you can still see it still laying out some more filament, trying to still calibrating the flow. So now it says it's finna print. So here we go, about to print. So it's going around the bed. It laid down a strip around the whole bed. So there it is. It's printing it. That booger rolling. First thing. So it just scanned it for accuracy. It's just making sure that's what it wants. There it is. Oh yeah. This gets thicker and thicker. This thing fast. This is a fast machine. I mean, it's rocking. Literally. Shaking the desk. It's getting thicker and thicker. So right here it says 14 of 192, 15 of 192. That's how many that's how many layers it's got to put down. So we only on layer 16 out of 192 to make what we call a little benchy. So it says about 16 minutes. So we're on 108, 109, so 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. So yeah, this is gonna go really fast. See, building the captain's quarters and on layer 121 at a 192, less than 4 minutes left. Layer 133, 134 out of 192. One 39, 140, 141. Less than 3 minutes left. Just doing the roof, then got the little smokestack. Closing the roof out. $149, 90%, less than 2 minutes. 149, 150 out of 192. And moving that fast in real time. Moving that fast in real time. Light work. Oh, bitch. Less than 1 minute left. We had 154 out of 192. 155 out of 192. This model don't give me the detail that it has in the roof. It makes the roof look flat, but the roof is actually a step pattern. So the last part don't go fast because it's all the chimneys. So 160, 71, 72, 74, 75. So just building the chimney. Just like that. It's a bench. A 3D benchy. The fundamental first job you do on every 3D printer. You gotta run you a benchy. I've been printing benchies for like almost 12 years. Just finished. Just finished the benchy. So you can do report AI monitoring, quality guide. So it took 26 minutes, 12 grams of filament. You can print another one. Press OK. Let's go and take it off. Let's check it out. .3D bench. Magnetic. Let's see. Bench.